Hello everyone, welcome to Geeker Mag. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix white color flashes when you open File Explorer like this. Before that, if you find this video useful in any way, like it and subscribe to the channel. Click on the Start button and select Settings. Switch to Windows Update and then on the right side, locate and select Update History. Now from the list of updates, check if you have installed this preview update KB5070311. This update is causing the issue. Microsoft is aware of this and soon fix it in the upcoming updates. In the meantime, temporary solution is to uninstall this update. For that, on the same page, scroll down to related settings and click uninstall updates. Locate the same update and click uninstall and confirm the action by clicking uninstall again. Now follow the on-screen instructions. Uninstalling the update will take few minutes. Once done, restart your computer, no matter if it asks you to do so or not. And this should fix the issue. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.